Hey guys, NV here, and in this video, I want to show you how to create your first nuclear shape or symbol. And if you don't know what that means or you're not aware of what that is, just look it up and you will find out. So what I'm going to do is create a new document by going to create new, and I'm going to leave my dimensions as they are. I will create the name though, and click on create. And now what I want to do is hold control and tap the R key on the keyboard. And then I'm going to tap the V key. Okay. And that gives us the rulers right here. I want to put out some guides on my document vertically and horizontally. I'm going to go to the top here and click and drag until it snaps onto the document like so. Do the same thing with the left. Click and drag until it snaps like so. Hold control, tap the R again to hide the rulers here. Now what I want to do is tap the U key on the keyboard, hold the shift and tap it one more time. That gives us the round rectangular shape. Actually, let's do the circle. So let's hold the shift, tap it another time, one more time. That gives us the circle shape. I'm going to hold the shift, click and drag, and then hold the Alt key. That keeps it proportionate for us. Don't think it's dead centered, unfortunately. And I'm going to drag out and about right here and release, keeping these properties here default. Selecting back in our layers panel, hold control, tap the A key, and then let's tap the V key. I know that's a lot of keys, but that's how I work. Here's the marching ants. I want to center this in our document, this shape, and I'm actually going to name this shape real quick, call it circle, just like so. And let's vertically and horizontally center this in our document by going up to this alignment options here. Again, tapping the V key on your keyboard gives you the move tool, and we're going to center this in our document like so. Hold control and tap the D key to deselect the marching ants. Now I want to go ahead, tap the U key one more time, and we're going to go to our shape here and manually do it. Click and hold on this circle shape, and then select rounded rectangular tool. I'm going to go ahead, not hold the shift key, just click and drag. And I'd say about like, I don't know, something like that right there, maybe. Somewhere like that. Back to the layers panel. We're going to align this horizontally. So I'm going to hold control, tap the A key, gives us a marching ants again. Tap the V key on the keyboard, and then let's center it in our document like so, right here. And control D to deselect. Now what I want to do is zoom in here. And let's name this, I don't know. I'm going to call it wings. It's weird, but that's what I'm going to call it. Okay. And what I want to do is select the wing shape here. Okay. Why it's invincible, why it's not showing up, I could not tell you. Weird. Whatever. It's there though. So what I'm going to do is select the wings shape. Hold control, tap the T key on our keyboard. This gives us the free transform tool here. What I'm going to do is go up here to the top in the tools menu here and click on warp options here. And then go over here to the left, warp, and you see custom, and select arc. Just like so. And now I'm going to zoom in here a little bit more, just a little. And you see this handle here. We can click on that handle and drag it down a little bit. I just want to kind of eyeball it here. And I want it to be about 30, I think. Let's try 35. Let's keep it 35. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and click this check here. And that'll confirm it. And I want to take this shape and just drag it down a little bit. Somewhere around there. That looks fine. And now what I want to do is hold control, tap the T key one more time. Select these outside handles on the side right here. Hold the Alt and Shift key. And we're going to select this handle and drag to the left. Want a little bit more thinner, not like that. And click this check mark, tapping the U key on our keyboard, holding control, selecting this shape here, and holding and tapping the C key. We're going to copy this shape and then let go of your keyboard. And then again, holding control, tapping the V key. That will paste this shape into the place here. To confirm that, we can click here and drag, okay, holding the control key. That just confirms our duplication here. Now what I want to do, hold Control T one more time. Click again. I want to drag and zoom in here a little bit more. And you see this crosshair symbol right here, this icon. I want to click on that and drag it all the way down to this circle in the center. Because you can see these little crosshairs right here, these little bitty ends right here. I want to make sure they're lined with the guide, okay? Now you don't have to get perfect, but try to get as close as you can to it, like that right there. Now I'm going to zoom out. Now I'm going to go all the way back up top of this shape. You can see this rotation cursor right here change with these arrows. I want to hold the shift key, click and drag to the right, just like so, all the way down, about right there. Okay. And just confirm it by selecting this check mark. And we're going to do this one more time again, and the same process. Control C, let go of everything, and then hit Control V. Okay, to confirm our selection, our duplication, just drag it over. We're going to hold Control and T and do the same thing we just did with the other one. Zoom out a little bit. Grab that crosshair, click and drag it all the way down and try to get it centered like that. And then we'll zoom out a little bit more and do the same thing, except this time I'm going to hold Shift key and drag to the left. Okay, just like so. And then click the check mark to confirm it. Now what I want to do is zoom out real quick and hold Control and tap the semicolon key on your keyboard to hide the guides for us. What I want to do is select this circle here and copy it, and then go to the wings layer shape, Control V. Okay, now we can hide or delete the circle layer. So now we have it completely pasted in there. So it's one nuclear shape basically. So now we can call this nuclear symbol. It'd help if I can spell it. So there we go. Now, if we like what we have, we can go ahead and save this. So we can select by holding Control, clicking on this document and dragging, selecting this entire shape. We can right click and say Define Custom Shape. And click OK. Now this is officially saved in the shapes, okay? And another cool thing about this is if we hid the background layer just by selecting the eye right here, we can go up here to Edit and Define Custom Brush. You can actually make this a brush, just so you're aware, okay? I'm not going to do that. I just want to show you that you could. What we're going to do now is save this and save as, save on your computer, and we're going to go ahead and just click Save and OK. And I also want to save it as a picture as well. So I'm going to go to File and Save as a JPEG just for a visual here. Click Save and OK. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. And until next time, I will see you in another video.